chickpea tuna, you can make it as a wrap, you can make it as a salad, or you can make it as a dip. We're doing it as a dip today. I'm going to do the demonstration, and after the demonstration, you'll have a chance to taste, okay? So let's get started. One of the things you need, very important, is chickpea. So the main thing that you have to do is drain the water from the chickpea and wash it off. So once you do that, you're ready to put it into your food processor. You put it in your food processor, and another key ingredient for the chickpea tuna is organic celery. So you need 2 celery stalks chopped up. So you throw your celery stalk in. Then you need 1 tablespoon of red bell pepper chopped up. You throw your pepper in. See the colors going, very colorful. And you need 1 small garlic clove. So you put your garlic clove in. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of red peppers. Not peppers, I'm sorry. Red onions. Red onions. We did pepper already. Red onions. Pinch of sea salt. Pinch of sea salt. See? Look at all the beautiful colors there. Amazing, amazing colors. And now we are going to add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Make sure the lemon juice is fresh. 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. There you go. 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. And another key for the chickpea tuna is vegan mayonnaise. So I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of the vegan mayonnaise in here. So we have 2 tablespoons, and then I'm going to put the top on, and we're going to pulse. Now the key is you do not blend because we want chunks. So you pulse. So we're going to pulse a few times. Pulse, 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 pulse. You check it now to see if it's all combined together. And it is.
Wow.
That was quick.
That was very quick.
Wow,
Yeah.
that was quick.
This is delicious. So good. The flavor is balanced. What do you think, Mom?
No, it is extremely delicious.
We'll definitely be making this at home
Yes.
for sure. It's delicious. So good.
Love it.
Love it.
Thanks to everyone for attending the class. For more information on my sensational vegan recipes cookbook, visit my website at vegantunacafe.com.